Hey everyone, Ed here from EpicStockDD. Encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It's youtube.com/EpicStockDD. And be sure to check out my book too. You can get it on the iTunes store. Just a really good book to read. Thanks for watching and share this video with others. Y'all have a good day.
Hey everyone, Ed here. Just wanted to talk about some key verbiage that everyone should be familiar with if you're dealing with penny stocks. Now, whether it's in the form of a press release from the company, maybe it's a post on the company's website, maybe it's some other form of formal communication from the company. When you're dealing with stocks, in particular microcap stocks, always question the validity of the claims that are made. Now, there's often a lot of clues embedded within those posts, whether written or spoken. Now, one of the most common things are forward-looking statements. Now, a forward-looking statement in the eyes of a penny stock company is nothing more than I'm trying to think of a good way to put this, but it's optimistic thinking or hopeful thinking. So, forward-looking statements may be like, the company plans to, the company intends to, the company expects to reach X amount of profitability, the company is fully invested in its shareholders. That's not really a forward-looking statement right there, but that's just a claim to try to boost potential investors' confidence. But if you look at all of those, plans to, intends to, hopes to, all of those forward-looking statements, they mean nothing unless they have sufficient evidence to back their claims. Well, you know, they intend to make X amount of dollars next quarter. Well, if they intend to do that, then what is their vehicle for being able to meet or exceed that goal? So you got to look into it like that. And then other common things are the claims like the company plans to merge. Doesn't say they will merge. It's saying they plan to merge. And if you followed penny stocks for any amount of time, you'll know that mergers typically tend to result in a nice little payout for the penny stock or penny stock trader rather. So, you know, that's stuff. And see, the companies are aware of this, and a lot of these micro-cap stock companies are run by a bunch of crooks. So a lot of the management for these companies, they know what your penny stock trader is looking for, and they know how to appeal to the penny stock trader and try to get that emotional connection, feeling like, God, you know, I'm getting in. Ultimately, what their objective typically is, if they're not on the up and up, their objective typically is to convince the traders out there, the penny stock traders, that, you know, they're getting in on something great at a ground level, and, you know, they're going to become multimillionaires because they're getting in at a fraction of a penny. You know, this company is going to become your big board stock. It's going to be trading at a few dollars a share. You know, these people that got in at a penny are just going to have a life changer in front of them just because they bought a few $100s or a few $1,000s of this penny stock at a sub-penny range. And that's what they're trying to do. And like I was saying, back to the forward-looking statements, plan to, intend to, hope to, have, you know, those are some of the key things that people will say. And look at press releases. Go to a penny stock company's website. Read all of these claims that people on the forums are pumping up to be awesome. Do your own due diligence, tear it apart, and I almost guarantee you that you'll probably discover a bunch of holes in most every claim made, unless it's a legitimate penny stock company. But legitimate penny stock companies, investment grade penny stock companies, are a super rarity. Most of the time, as I've discussed before, penny stock companies are just a trade. Get in on the momentum, get out before the momentum shifts and tanks. You know, get in while it's going up. But for the most part, a penny stock is not going to be an investment. It's going to be a quick trade. Getting in, getting out. Hopefully the timing was right, and hopefully the timing enabled the trader to to make a lot of money. But if it didn't and they had to exit for a loss, maybe they learned a lesson along the way. Well, this is why it tanked. So when I'm in the next penny stock trade, better know what to look for. So that's just another video from Epic Stock Due Diligence. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I encourage you to do so. It's youtube.com/EpicStockDD. And check out my book, The Penny Stock Perfectionist. It's available from Apple iTunes Store. There's a link within this video's description. There's a link on the main page of youtube.com/EpicStockDD. And I welcome your feedback, and I look forward to posting a lot more videos soon. Y'all have a good day.